Welcome back. This is day 2 of my 30 days dropshipping challenge video. If you watched my first day video where I already talked about how you can start Shopify store and I took a homework, I will complete my store because for making and completing a Shopify store, it's not easy. It's required few hours to spend. So that's why I took my homework and I already complete my homework and my store is now complete ready. And today I will show you how you can complete your store, including I will give you my theme if you want. It's for free. You don't need to spend any money. Okay. So if you want, you can use the free theme in Shopify, but it's up to you. Okay, I will show you all the technical part, how you can complete your store and what I did to complete my store. This is a Shopify store which is nazuvia.com and this is the home page. And if I go on shop now button, you will see all of the product are available here. And if I show you the one product like this one, so you can see this product look like this. So I made a bundle and here is the some photo video with the testimonial, and here is the product description, and also why people love it, this section. Okay, so if someone try to buy this product, just add to cart of this product, and then you can see here is a progress bar. It showing you if you want to like the you are only 0.47 wait for free shipping. So if you want to get free shipping, then you need to add more products. So if the bar will complete, you will get the free shipping, and then apply now. And then this is the full functional Shopify website. Like if you want to buy this product from this website, you can do it by your. So let me show you the backend view what I did actually. So this is actually my old Shopify website. So you need to complete all the part that I did. So I will show you from the homepage. So this is the theme. So in my theme, I actually using the Zendrop theme, which is completely free. If you want, you can download it from online. Just if you search it. But if you want to get it from me, just send me a message on WhatsApp. I will give it to you because I got it free. So I will give you no problem. Okay, so if I go on the theme edit section, then you can see. So this is the card bar. So shared drawer. Okay, so announcing bar, free shipping bar, counter, and product upsell, discount. Okay, this is the card drawer. Okay, card bar mean this one. Okay, and this is the announcing bar. Announcing bar is this one. If you want, you can change it. And this is the header. Header mean that where the menu is available. Okay, and if I show you this one, this is the horizontal triggers. Okay, so this is a photo, and if you want, you can generate photo, this kind of awesome looking photo from their AI, because Shopify is great. Shopify has AI now. So if you want to change it, just click on change, and you can see there is a multiple option that how you can change it. Okay, so if you want, you can edit it, no problem. So for changing it, you can select from your library. Okay, also here is the button generate your own image. So if you describe here, this AI will generate a copyright free image for you. So I generate it from the AI. Okay, here you can see this is the three column. Actually I try to show some thing for my audience, and this is the collection. Okay, So collection, actually I have now 4 collection. I try to like focus on the selling the brushes, so that's why I use the cleaning brush, card brush, toothbrush and paint brush, so etc. And this is another section where you choose the product, and this is the subscribe button because this help us a little bit to subscribe, like we can offer our visitor. If you subscribe our email, we will send you discount coupon code. And this is the page quick link of in the footer, and our essential page link are available on there. So you all the page you can generate from uh, the Shopify built in, so you don't need to do anything manually. Okay, you can do it everything. So this is the quick view of this store, and I hope if you have this theme, you can build your store like this and then go jump on the another text. So then I will show you what apps I am using. Okay, so I am using actually Rappi bundle builder that I already show you. So I didn't purchase this tool yet. I am on the free version. I'm using. I will show you how you can make the bundle on in my next couple of video, but actually the time is short because we have only 30 days. So if we spend too much time on showing building the store, it will actually take longer and we will not focus on marketing. So that's why I did it in myself individually. So I am showing you what I did. So this is actually the bundle, and it's come from the Rappi bundle, and I love it. Why? Because it's actually push to the visitor. Like if you buy 2 product, then you can buy one and get 50% off. And actually there is a chance you can sell 2 product at the same time. Okay. Excuse me. And then I am using the lal product reviewer, but I didn't yet. And for in adding product, I am using the team drop. So this is the team drop. So team drop is great for me because it's quite free, because I don't need to spend any money for getting product from team drop, because only I need to spend money when I get order and I need to come fulfillment date. I just connect my store with team drop. It's quite easy. Just you need to make your Shopify store first, and then your store management and authorize store, then you can link your store to your, and then when you add the product from there, just you need to, for example, if you want to add this product, so that's why actually I told you in my last video, don't need to learn map product manually, because here you can see the option list to product. So if you select this product will automatically go all with the specific and variant will have to actually may list on your store. And in my website, on the right bottom, you can see the option called the chat, and this chat is came from the inbox, so it's free. So I am a beginner, so that's why I try to spend less amount on my store. So that's why I am using free theme. I am using all the theme apps are free. Okay, so now, and I completed my Shopify payment section. So if I go to the setting, so this is the payment. My payment is now active, and I am using my Payoneer bank details on there. So you can see the payout is ready. And the another most important part is the shipping and delivery. So if you go on shipping and delivery, you can see like you need to make sure you are use fulfillment location with team drop, otherwise this drop shipping will not work. Okay, and then another important part that you have to do, which is you have to generate all the pages. So you can easily generate all the pages from this policy section, and when you complete all the things, and you just simply link the page in there. This is actually the menu section. So if you want to do that, you just need to go to the theme and then edit the theme, and then you just need to go here and you can see this is the menu page, and you can link your menu to here. You can see this is the footer menu. Okay, so you can easily do that, but if you want to edit that, you can also do that. It will redirect to you on their footer page. Okay, you can see it's content under menu, then you can see it's a footer menu. If you go back on the menu, then you can see the main menu. For main menu, you can see in my main menu, you can see show home, shop now, contact. I just try to make my website simple, so that's why this 3 page it's enough for me. Okay, so now I think my story is completely ready, but not all the product is ready, because if I show you something that I need to do, which is if I go on the shop one, then if I go on the product page, you can see the product video is not available there. So I need to do that. So how I can do that? Go to Shopify store and then go to product, and sorry, I did a test product. Okay, so I just need to go on the product section and go to software. I will not promote this product. Okay, I as a for making my video and make my store ready, that's why randomly I have added few product in my store. Okay, but I try to make some unique product add in my store. Okay, so now let's see how we can add the video. Okay, so we need to add the video 1, video 3. So for select the video 1, so we will find the video 1 is here. Just simply we need to select it. So this is came from the meta field. I will discuss about that in future, no problems, because this is quite technical for someone who don't know about the meta field. So if I save it, you can see the 3 product are available on there. If I refresh this product page and scroll down, you can see my 3 product video are available there. Now it's look good. Okay, and if I check the another product, this is the globe bundle, cleaning bundle. You can see my 3 video are available on this product, and you can see this product photo are not available here. So we need to fix that. So how we can fix it? We just need to go on that product, like go to product and then go to globe cleaning kit, and then you can see photo 1 we can select. So we need to select the globe, like this one we can select, and we can select photo 2 from our meta field. So we can select that one and done, and then save it and go to globe bar. And if I yes, here you can see now photo is available here, and so this is come from theme. Okay, so I don't want to make all the product manually. So like I don't know if you have experience about the theme template or not. So if I show you this theme, I have only 3 theme. So my choice is I made it with this meta field. Okay, so meta field means what you are seeing on the page, I can change it all the time. Like when I add the product, I will change it through here. It's very handy feature. It came from the meta field. Like if you want to see all the meta field, you just need to go to settings, and you will find a option called meta field, and under the meta field and meta object, I added the all the thing from the image, like this one. Like if you want to add definition, like add this one, give it a name, and what you want to do. If you want to add any feature, then in this this meta field will available on this product page. Okay, so it's quite handy, that's why I love it. And this actually my technical thing that what I did in my store. If you want, you can do it by yourself, but if you don't have any like this kind of technical skill and you want to don't take this headache, then you can contact me, guys. I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork as well, so I will complete your store we including this my theme. Okay, it's for free. So what you need to do, you just need to contact with me. You will find my contact information on this video description, and I will help you to build your store. And if you need another help to drop shipping store, so actually all the thing I am trying to use the AI. So this is completely free, guys. And just you need to learn it and you need to use this. So this logo I you made by AI, so just you need to research and you need to do by yourself. Okay, so I will take a little bit budget of for my time, of course, but if you need help you can definitely contact me. I will give all the information how you can contact with me in this video description. So this is the day 2 is completed. I am trying my best, guys, to build my dropshipping business. I don't know I will be in profit or not, but I am trying my best. So as you can see, so I completed my store now and my store is ready to go marketing. So next day I will show you what we need to do before marketing. Okay, so of course after before like publishing ads on social media, we need to set up our tracking. In the next video I'll show you how like I today is my homework is I will set up the tracking for my website like with the Facebook pixels and Google Analytics. I will try to connect it, and of course I will use Google Tag Manager to connect that. And next day I will show you what I did for my work. So every day I will give you update what I am doing. So that's the process, and this is my 30 days challenge, guys. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video and want to complete this journey with me, then you can subscribe to this channel because it will also help me to complete this task. And see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.